Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Natalia, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Natalia, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hey there, friends. I'm Luke. And yes, it's another beautiful day to learn English together. Natalia, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, Luke. I had my big cup of coffee this morning, so I'm ready for a fun English adventure.
Coffee for you, tea for me, as always. But what kind of adventure are we going on today?
Well, Luke, today we're going somewhere exciting, full of people, food, and stores. Can you guess?
A park? A museum?
No. Bigger, louder, and full of things to buy.
The shopping mall.
Exactly. Today's episode is all about the shopping mall. We're going to learn lots of useful English phrases and expressions that you can use when you go shopping for clothes, food, books, or even coffee.
That's a fantastic topic. Everyone loves shopping, and it's the perfect way to practice real English in everyday situations.
So let's imagine this together. You wake up on a Saturday morning, the weather's nice, and you think, I want to go shopping.
Yes, you grab your bag, maybe a friend, and you go to the mall.
Now, in English, we say shopping mall or just the mall. For example, I'm going to the mall. Or, let's meet at the mall.
Try saying that with us. I'm going to the mall. Good. And again, let's meet at the mall. Perfect.
Now, when you arrive, what do you see first?
Big glass doors, a lot of people, colorful shops, maybe even the smell of popcorn or coffee.
Yes, exactly. Malls are full of life. So, what can we find inside the mall?
We can find shops or stores. In British English, we usually say shop. In American English, store. Both are correct.
Let's repeat together. Shop. Store. Nice.
All right. The first thing I always do at the mall is eat.
Of course you do. So let's talk about one of the best parts of the mall, the food court.
The food court is the big open area with lots of small restaurants and tables. You can find burgers, pizza, sushi, ice cream, everything.
Let's learn some useful phrases for ordering food there.
When you go to the counter, you can say, "Hello, can I have a slice of pizza, please?
I'd like a burger and fries, please.
Can I get a bottle of water, please?"
Notice how we always add please. It makes your English polite and friendly.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'd like a sandwich, please.
Can I have a soda, please?
Thank you. Great job.
After you order, the cashier might say, "That'll be $10," or "Your total is $15."
You can answer, "Here you go," when giving money or your card, or "Can I pay by card?"
Yes, and after you pay, always smile and say, "Thank you," or "Have a nice day."
Okay, now we're full. Time to shop for clothes.
Perfect. You walk into a clothing store and you see shirts, pants, dresses, and shoes everywhere.
Let's start with some clothing vocabulary. Repeat after me. Shirt. T-shirt. Pants. Jeans. Dress. Jacket. Shoes. Nice.
In American English, Pants means what British people call trousers. So if you're in the UK, you might hear trousers instead.
Yes, that's a great cultural tip. Now, let's imagine you see a beautiful red shirt.
You pick it up and say, I like this shirt, but what size is it?
Let's talk about sizes. In most English-speaking countries, we use S for small, M for medium, L for large.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Small, medium, large. Perfect.
Now imagine you're not sure if it fits. You can say, "Can I try it on?"
That's a super useful phrase. It means you want to test the clothes before buying.
And where do you try clothes? In the fitting room or changing room.
So you can say, excuse me, where is the fitting room?
Or, "Excuse me, can I try this on, please?"
All right, let's make it a mini dialogue. Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
"It's over there, next to the mirrors."
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Simple, natural, and polite.
Now you've tried on your shirt. You love it. Time to buy.
You go to the cashier. That's the person who works at the counter. You can say, hi, I'd like to buy this, please.
The cashier might ask, "Will that be cash or card?" That means, "How would you like to pay?"
So you can answer, by card, please, or in cash, please.
Then you might hear the cashier say, "That's $20.
You give your card or money and say, here you go.
And after payment, the cashier gives you a bag and a receipt.
The receipt is the small piece of paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Yes, and it's very important. If your shirt doesn't fit, you can go back and return it.
For example, you can say, hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please. It's too small.
Or, "Hi, can I exchange this for a larger size, please?"
Those are real-life sentences you can use. Let's practice them together. I'd like to return this shirt, please.
"Can I exchange this for a larger size, please?" Fantastic.
Okay, we've got food, clothes. What else can we find in a mall?
Oh, lots of things. Bookstores, shoe stores, toy shops, electronic stores, even cinemas.
Right. Let's go over some of those words together. Bookstore. Shoe store. Toy shop. Electronics store. Movie theater. Nice.
And remember, British English sometimes says cinema instead of movie theater.
That's right. So you can say either, I'm going to the cinema or I'm going to the movie theater.
What do you like to do at the mall, Natalia?
I love going to the bookstore. It's quiet, cozy, and I love the smell of new books.
Oh, yes, that's a great one. I usually end up at the electronics store, looking at new headphones I don't need.
That's so true. All right, everyone listening, how about you? What's your favorite shop at the mall? Write your answer in the comments in English. We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
Now let's imagine something that happens a lot. You're lost.
Oh no, you can't find the bathroom or the food court or your favorite store.
Don't worry, let's learn how to ask for directions politely.
Start with, excuse me. That's the magic phrase to get someone's attention politely.
Then add what you're looking for. For example, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?" "Excuse me, where is the food court?" "Excuse me, where is the shoe store?"
Let's practice that together. Excuse me, where is the bathroom? Excuse me? Where is the food court? Excuse me? Where is the shoe store? Very good.
Now, what answers might you hear? The person could say, "Go straight and turn left. It's on the second floor. It's next to the bookstore."
Let's explain those directions. Go straight means walk forward. Turn left means change direction to your left. Next to means beside.
Yes, for example, the restroom is next to the coffee shop.
Or, the shoe store is across from the food court.
Excellent. You're learning useful, real-world English today.
After shopping all day, maybe you want to relax. So, what can you do at the mall besides shopping?
You can go to the cinema, play games in the arcade, or just have coffee with friends.
Let's learn a few fun expressions. Let's watch a movie. Let's grab a coffee. Let's take a break.
Those are supernatural expressions. For example, "Hey, Natalia, I'm tired. Let's grab a coffee."
Always a good idea. Okay, everyone, let's review everything we learned today.
Step 1. Vocabulary. Mall, shop, store, food court, cashier, fitting room, receipt.
Step 2. Common phrases. Can I try it on? How much is this? Can I pay by card? Where is the bathroom?
Step 3. Politeness. Always use please, thank you, and excuse me. They make your English sound friendly and confident.
Step 4. Practice out loud. Try repeating the dialogues we said today. Use your own favorite shops and foods.
Exactly. The more you practice, the more natural you sound.
Okay, Luke, let's do a mini role play so our listeners can hear a real conversation.
Perfect. You'll be the shopper, and I'll be the cashier.
Hi, I'd like to buy this jacket, please.
Of course. That's $45.
Can I pay by card?
Sure. Please insert your card.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
That's it. Simple, polite, and natural English.
Wow, what a day. We went shopping, ate pizza, bought clothes, and practiced lots of English.
Yes, and the best part is you can use all of these phrases in real life.
That's right. So here's your homework, everyone. Next time you go shopping, try to use 1 or 2 phrases from today's episode.
And don't forget, tell us in the comments, what do you like to buy at the mall? What's your favorite store?
Write your answers in English. We'll read some of them in the next episode.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn English with Natalia, and share this episode with your friends who want to practice English too.
Thank you for spending your time learning with us today. Remember, learning English can be easy and fun when you practice every day.
That's right. See you next time for another fun English conversation.
Bye, everyone.